Sonia, tell us.
Okay, so let me start by saying that oil and gas business this time around was record high quarterly revenues and EBITDA by the company. For oil to chemicals business, it was a maintenance shutdown that impacted the business on a quarter-on-quarter basis. But if you look at the numbers on a YY basis, it is a good performance. So their revenues came in at 1.41 lakh crore rupees, which is a flattish performance. Their EBITDA at 14,064 crore rupees is a decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis, but it is up on a YY basis, leading to EBITDA margins of 10%, which is a 100 basis points decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis, but it is higher by 40 basis points on a YY basis. As I said earlier, it's the planned maintenance shutdown which has impacted yields and profitability. The company says numbers would have been better both on a quarter-on-quarter and on a YY basis if this shutdown hadn't happened. But this is something which happens every 7 to 8 years, which is very normal. And this is something which will reverse, of course, going forward. So nothing to worry about here. Now, let's talk about the oil and gas business, where it was a record high quarterly EBITDA by the company. They did revenues of 6,719 crore rupees, which is an increase both on a quarter-on-quarter and on a YY basis. EBITDA, the number is 5,800 crore rupees, which is a huge number going by the history that we've seen in the oil and gas business. Their EBITDA margins at 86% compared with 70% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So looking really good. They are doing production of around 30 MMSCMD. And just to give you some perspective, India produces half of the gas that we consume, which is around 160 to 170 MMSCMD, out of which 30 MMSCMD will come in from Reliance Industries. So they will be contributing big time when it comes to gas production as well. So strong numbers here, and barring the one-off that we saw in auto chemicals business, it was a steady performance from both the businesses. Thanks for tuning in to CNBC-TV18, and for more news and updates, follow us on all the social media platforms.